My name's Harriett. I'm 25 years old and I'm from Derbyshire. I did a level 4 APM project management qualification and I am a project manager at Experian. I did my GCSEs. Following that, I did my A-levels. From my A-levels, I went to university. I studied history and international politics, but I only stayed there for a month. Following that, I got a job on a makeup counter as a skincare consultant and didn't really feel like it was me. The job was fun, but equally I wanted to do something more. So I started looking at different apprenticeships that I could do and found the project management apprenticeship with Experian. Historically, fintech was a very male-dominated world, so it's great that, there's kind of new people coming into that industry, especially women, encouraging different ways of thinking and different ways of learning as well, especially for apprenticeships. My apprenticeship so far has been challenging but rewarding, but I wouldn't do anything differently.